Clip Studio Paint.
Hello, my name is Lucas, you might know me as LP Lucas, and I'm an artist, I'm an illustrator, animator. During this course I will teach you how to create an art style from scratch. Our main goal will be to reflect your personality and skills into a unique art style, a visual representation of yourself. We will do a series of exercises that will bring up your artistic DNA. By the end of the lessons we will have an illustration that we will create from scratch and also a style book, which will be a reference for you every time that you make a new illustration. So it's amazing that we can create something visual that can represent your skills and personality. So let's go!